Hello everyone, this is Dan at Solopress. Today we're going to go over some of the more popular folded leaflet types. We start first with a half-fold leaflet, and it's the most straightforward. It's got a front cover, two inside pages and a back-facing cover as well, and it's the simplest way to get 4 pages out of one sheet of paper. And if you start with a portrait sheet, your page becomes a strip fold leaflet. The roll fold introduces a second crease, giving you 3 areas per side. The easiest way to explain it is that the outer folds layer over each other into the center. The fold on the right hand side is slightly narrower, allowing it to fit into the center position. Additional folds will result in additional pages. A Z-fold leaflet also has 2 parallel folds creating 3 pages, but the second fold goes the opposite way to create a Z shape. Repeated Z folds will result in a concertina leaflet. A concertina fold is comprised of more than one Z fold. A gate leaflet opens out like a set of double doors to reveal pages 2, 3 and 4, which can be 3 designs or 1 large poster design, so make sure it's a visual treat for your audience. A crossfold quarters the size of your original sheet by folding it in half along one axis and folding it in half again along the other. As you can see, these 2 are upside down on the original design. When you turn to the back, all of the designs are the right way up, and you can create 1 large poster image or 4 separate designs on the resulting pages. For a map fold, the same process is made, but the flip side is upside down this time. It can also be opened up in the same way as the crossfold to reveal 4 separate pages or a bigger image that covers all 4. These are some of the more popular leaflet types, and if you found that useful, make sure you leave a like just below the video and subscribe to Solopress. Thanks for watching.